like I think when you say Mogadishu, it's the capital, and then everyone's like, oh, you know what?
But the capital of what? Somalia.
Somalia.
Yeah.
But as I say, guys, I guess as soon as I say one thing, I don't want to be involved with any politics about Somalia and Somaliland. If you want to read about that, go to the news. You will find from there. You go to from website, but not from me. I'm here to do my content. I'm here to promote the positive of my country. So yeah, I'll leave it out there. If you want to know about Somalia, about Somaliland stuff, go to news. Get from there, not from me. That's my,
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
The disclaimer.
Disclaimer, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, KO Squad? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day, because I'm having a beautiful day. As you can see, man's obviously in his thobe or like khamis or like kandura, whichever way you want to say it. It's people wear it a lot on Friday, so I thought let me rock it. So today's Friday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The best place to get information about Somaliland. You can see all my playlists there, KO in Somaliland, or things to know about Somaliland. This is the place to get it, all right, guys? So today we're another episode of Voice of Diasporas. We are currently going to be shooting with someone I just met, but we were talking before. He is a YouTuber as well. So anyway, without further ado, let's bring him. But I'm gonna snap my fingers and he's just gonna appear. You ready, guys? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What am I doing here?
Bro, I transported you from Australia, man.
No way.
From down under.
Yeah?
What's up?
I like that. How are you?
You good?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah, not bad. So let me introduce you to Awale-pop, right?
Yep, Awale-pop.
A YouTuber. So what's your YouTube about, and like who are you? Go on.
Well, first of all, it's Good Friday, guys. It's Friday. You can see both of us.
Thobe gang.
Or Khamis gang, you know what I'm saying? Gang.
Kandura gang.
Yeah, whatever it is. Well, first of all, my name is Awale, but well known as Awale-pop. I live in Australia at the moment.
So where in Australia? Sydney?
Sydney. So I go around Australia, like Melbourne, Brisbane. If you know, you know. Adelaide as well. And yeah.
Okay. And what do you do? What's your YouTube about?
My YouTube is a little bit different from like what you do. My YouTube is all about like bringing the Somali culture back and also teaching other non-Somalis about the Somali culture and the language, which is like food, language, culture, living, like everything. It's a lot about Somali.
The Somali culture. Yeah. I see. Like if you go. Obviously, you're gonna go check out his videos. I noticed like you talk trying to show the Somali food, the Somali clothing, quizzes on Somalia, Somaliland, things like that. Yeah. It's crazy.
And now also I do like the African content. I don't do only Somali, but also do the African content where I show like also the African culture, because as Somalis we're part of Africa, and I think like it's always good to have that connection with other people, not only just the Somali. And another thing that we do is that we do connection between the Somalis and other African culture as well. So what we do, we try to learn other African cultures, like Caribbeans, Kenyans, South Africans, whatever, like anything.
You learn it,
and also we teach them our culture as well. So that way we have like you're not only teaching but also you receiving and learning as well.
Oh, yeah, that's very interesting. Doing the cross cultures, learning about cultures. I love it. But another thing is that's why I brought you in here, is because to show the other Somali YouTubers basically, from around the world. Actually, we're actually currently he's not Diaspora, so that's why he hasn't made the voice of Diaspora, but he will be in my vlogs. We're also chilling with another vlogger, Somali vlogger named Khalid. Right, this is his YouTube here, Khalid.
If you're from Hargeisa, you will know who is Khalid.
Yeah,
that guy is just crazy, bro.
It's crazy, man. Like I remember this guy started from the ground, and I was higher than him. Next thing I know is it becomes the teacher. I was teaching him a bit, and then now he's the teacher and I'm the student, Yeah. But anyway, you'll see him in my vlogs, but not in here because he's not Diaspora, of course. So
I'm sorry. All right.
But I'm diaspora, right?
Well, you're diaspora, yeah.
Yeah.
So you make it, don't worry. But the reason why, okay, you guys are thinking, let me explain because I don't want people to think, oh, why you're not putting other Somalis on?
Of course. Yeah.
Is because my goal for the YouTube is to bring back the diaspora here and the tourists. So I want to bring you back here. Obviously, you're still new in Australia, I guess, you know, and you're still studying and things. But eventually, inshallah, when you've like done your stuff, is to come back here to Somalia. So that's why I call it the voice of diaspora, because there's a lot of people, there's a lot of diasporas. I don't know, millions, you think?
More than
More? Like, yeah.
America, just Minnesota alone, I think they have like 1 million Somalis there.
Yeah, really? Okay, so like 1 million.
$1 million.
So they're everywhere. So I'm just trying to bring them back here to, you know, develop the country. Anyway, so how is it vlogging here?
You mean
like shooting and stuff like?
You mean Hargeisa or like?
No, let's say all
Somalia.
yeah.
Okay. Well, I think this in Somalia is very hard, because people are really sensitive when it comes to the camera, because they never get used to it.
Of course.
And they think like, you know, why are you recording me? Like, so it's kind of very hard to record. Like if you record in Australia, America, people don't really care about cameras because they know because it's a CCTV camera everywhere, you know. But here it's like they see you on the camera, everyone gonna boast. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Like, it's just be crazy.
Yeah.
But
I know how that feels.
yeah, but I think like some places, for example, if you go to the beach, we don't really care much because
Public
they
places,
know, because they know like, you know, he is a beach, like everyone can see for
tourism,
everything like that.
Okay.
So, but if you go to a market in the streets, it's just kind of difficult. Everyone's gonna look at you. You're gonna get nervous. You don't know what to do. Yeah.
Okay, and this is your first time here in Hargeisa.
Yeah.
So let's talk about Hargeisa first.
Okay.
We're here now. I'm from Hargeisa.
Okay.
So how is it? Like you,
As soon as the first.
So tell my people, how is Hargeisa?
Well, since I was young, not gonna lie, like since I was very young, Hargeisa like it's one of my dream city to go to. Like Hargeisa, like I always wanted to go, you know, to see Hargeisa what it looks like, and I'm very happy that I'm finding Hargeisa, you know, and I'm really liking it. Like it's a lot of things I like about Hargeisa.
You see?
Yeah, number
you
one.
can see yourself living here.
Yeah, in the future. I'm not even kidding. Like I wouldn't mind living in Hargeisa because you know it's one of the best cities in Somalia, Somaliland, whatever it is. You know, yeah, it's a lot of things I like about it.
Okay.
But do you want me to tell you what I like about it?
Yeah, you're telling me the list. Go on.
Okay, I like about the weather.
The weather,
beautiful. So nice. It's beautiful. It's just like it's very not cold, not too cold, and not too hot.
Exactly. And it doesn't rain a lot.
Yeah,
I like that. Like it rains season, and then that's it.
Yeah,
you know?
I like the weather. I also like the people. Like they're just so welcoming as well. I like what do you call the food. It's a nice restaurant.
What's your favorite? You only had the Yemeni.
I only had the Yemeni food.
Yeah.
Have
you had Ethiopian?
No. What was the one? He's
talking to Khalid.
Nomad. ما قاعد عنصر عننا
أنت.
food bed. Yeah.
That's Yemeni, bro.
No, we had. What's it? Yemeni?
Where in a Somali cafeteria?
Yeah.
Nomad.
Okay. But you haven't had Ethiopian, right?
Nah. But I had that one in Garowe. So like in
Garowe?
Yeah. So
okay.
Ethiopian food. Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah. True.
Everywhere.
Okay. So you said weather, food. What else?
The people. I also like the culture. I like the accent here. It's way different. Like
we'll explain why later.
Okay. But yeah, I like the accent as well.
Accent. Okay. So the reason why I brought someone here as well is because you did a crazy journey.
Exactly.
All the way from like Mogadishu, like Hamar, right?
Yep.
Which is the south, all the way up to Hargeisa.
Yeah.
Like of course, like in a long period. It's not like he did it in one go. But like, tell us about that journey. Like, how was it? Like the safety, prices. Let's go with the.
Okay.
Like, how long did it take you?
Well, I left Hamar the 26th of November, and today is I get to Hargeisa the 11th.
11th.
The 11th. So
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 days?
No, the 26th of November to 11th. Because that's like
Oh, it's true.
50. I don't know. That's like.
Oh, you took that your time, huh?
Yeah, it's like that's like
You stupid.
They're not.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
15 days, like
15 days,
around
okay.
there. So I had to spend time in Muduk, which is like you know, the east side near the Galkaya. I had to spend some time in Galkaya. I had to spend some time in Muduk. I mean, in Puntland, Getaway, stuff like that. Also, I had to spend some time in Las Anot. And then I had to come to Hargeisa because Hargeisa was like my final destination before I go back to Hamar and fly back to Australia.
Yeah.
That was like my final destination that I wanted to do.
Okay.
And you know, safety first. I think like flying from Mogadishu to Galkaya. That's I think you just the best way to do is just the plane like flights from Mogadishu to
So you didn't take the bus
No, I didn't take the
from
bus.
Hamar to
Galkaya
Galkaya?
is a flight.
It's a flight. How much did it cost you?
I think it was like $150.
$150.
$150, yeah.
Wallahi.
Wallahi, it's expensive.
That's expensive.
And if you catch a bus, I think the roads are really bad.
Yes.
No
surprise.
No surprise. And safety, I mean, I wouldn't recommend if you're YouTube someone like me who's well-known as well. Like, I wouldn't recommend to do those kind of things. The flight was safer, and also it's a long journey, like around 2 days.
Oh yeah. Okay.
2 days. So like, you pay $20, but you like wasted 2 days on the road.
On the road.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
But and then from Galkaya to Garowe, which is like 6 to 7 hours drive, it's safe. Like it's very
Galkaya to
big.
Garowe by bus you took.
By bus, yeah. We couldn't get flight.
Alright. And how much did that cost you the bus?
It's like $15.
$15. Okay.
Yeah, it's not
How long
bad.
did it take you?
It's 6 to 7 hours. But I had to spend a night between it's called this city called Burtinle, which
Burtinle.
it separates Galkaya and Puntland. So I had to spend there for a night. With one of my friends who lives there. He's a good friend. His name is Abshir.
Abshir, shout out.
Shout out to Abshir. AC Cornell. I had to stay with him for a night in Burtinle. Then we had to go to Garowe. Burtinle was just like a small city, but I really loved. It's so good, a nice weather, clean, a good infrastructure. It was really nice. And then we have to go to Garowe. Garowe is very beautiful. Like, and also it's very going. It's going so fast.
It's growing, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to go to Garowe.
Yeah, it's very good. And then I had to come to Las Anot. I really loved Las Anot. I'm not even kidding. Like,
where's better, Garowe or Lazano? You can't love both.
I know, yeah. It's just, I mean, they're almost like a little bit similar, to be honest. But the thing I like about Las Anot, it's a bit cold as well. Like, it's not as hot as Garowe. It's a colder. And also I like it because it's, the city surrounded by mountains.
Yeah.
So big mountains. So I like the view about it. And also it has a nice food as well.
So then Lazano to
Hargeisa.
Oh yeah, you did. That's the journey I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Soon, inshallah.
So
you go Lazano. Tell me next city.
You go to Las Anot.
Bur'o.
But you don't stop there.
You don't.
stop,
You just keep driving.
You stop for lunch.
Yeah.
Unless you're like driving your own car.
Yeah, of course.
You can stop there, but like
Or
if you
bus,
get
public transport.
public transport,
Yeah.
you leave Las Anot, come to Bur'o for lunch,
Bur'o for lunch.
and then you come straight to Hargeisa, non-stop.
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 So
But
you go through Bur'o, Sheikh, Berbera, Hargeisa.
Hargeisa, yeah. That's easy, yeah.
That's okay. So you go through all those kind of cities. Unfortunately, you won't get to stop because Sheikh, you want to stop. Burta Sheikh, the mountains. You didn't get to stop, but we are going back there with the gang to record Burta Sheikh. I've been. Of course, I got to show my boy around, you know what I mean? The KO tour has got to show him a good time.
Beautiful.
So then we're going to go a bit better. Okay. So give me now the whole journey. How much did it cost you? Like if you can do quick math. Like,
2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths.
Well,
including flight, the bus. Just give me a...
I think like just flying from overseas to Somalia.
No. Like, sorry. From Hamar to Hargeisa.
Oh, okay.
How much did that all cost you?
Well,
150.
it's different. Okay, I would say it's different. The flights is just like if the flight's 150 from Mogadishu to Galkaya, at 150. Galkaya to Garowe is if you catch a bus, is like $15. If you catch a plane, which is unlikely, it flies once a week, one flight a week, which is like
How much is that like?
$50, 50.
Oh, $50. Okay. Let's do the $20. Let's do public transport. So 150 plus 21. You said right?
Was 20 like $15 from
15. Sorry. So 65. 165.
From Garowe to Hargeisa is $20.
Okay, so 165, 185.
185.
And you're in Hargeisa.
You're in Hargeisa.
Okay.
That's like if you catch flight, bus, bus. But also including what do you call
your food and stuff like that. But that's cheap. Food and thing here.
Let's say $200. Yeah, $200.
Yeah, for the
from
food.
Hammer to Hargeisa. That's if you go around like that. But if you want to fly from Hammer to Hargeisa, that's $160.
$160.
Yeah.
What the hell is about the same price? But because you wanted to visit family and stuff and
because I had to spend like for 2 weeks 2 to 3 weeks in that like
in that area, Puntland and stuff like that.
But for me, because I was doing a lot of videos going different places, it cost more than that, way more than that. Because like you had to sometimes you had to rent a car to go special places. You had to because every time you go somewhere, you have to get someone to come
drive you, and you need a 4-wheel drive because the roads here are so bad. So that's why it's so expensive here too. That's why tourism here is really expensive because the roads are really bad.
Yeah, exactly. And also,
and there's no signs or anything.
Yeah, and also you need someone from the area or from the area. Exactly. Like
it's like safety wise, you mean?
No, not safety wise, but someone can show you around. Like if I come to Hargeisa and I don't know much about it, I need someone like you to show me around. And once they with you, you have to. You don't have to, but like it's a manner way for you to build them, like their food, their transport, everything like that.
Exactly.
Of course,
Yeah, that's
our culture.
That's the Somali culture thing. Yeah, you know what I mean. So like when we go traveling, if someone is showing us around, the least you can do is like pay for like dinner or
whatever they need.
Whatever they need.
Yeah.
Instead of like giving them cash at the end, because culture-wise, from Islamic to also Somali, they won't take it,
Yeah.
because we have a lot of the Arab culture as well in us.
Islamic culture,
Okay, so that's the journey. I really want to do the Lazana to. Do you recommend Lazana to Hargeisa? Is definitely a must do, but now Hammer to Garowe. Is it a nice journey? Is that a flight? You took a flight.
It's a flight.
Okay, so you didn't see much. Okay, Garowe. Is Garowe?
I think I would recommend it to go to Garowe.
What do you recommend? Okay, give us the recommendations. Which
I
cities?
think Garowe is underrated, to be honest.
Okay.
It's so beautiful.
Okay.
It's so safe, and it's a lot of things to do. They said this place called Hidara. Hidara basically means like it's where they keep all the Somali cultural stuff. You go there. You guys, if you want to see that video, go to my YouTube channel and you see it from there.
Oh yeah.
That I made a nice show. It's so beautiful. The city is also beautiful. There's a lot of things to do in Garowe, and it's safe. In security wise, beautiful. Like you can just walk around like any time of the night. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay. Garowe is in Puntland, right?
In Puntland. Yeah. I would recommend to go to Galkayo, to be honest. Galkayo is safe wise, it's alright, but it's mosquito-able. Like that's a city that I will never go back to in Somalia. Like it's so bad when it comes to like mosquito-able. Like it's so bad. Like it will eat you during the day. Not even at night. It wouldn't even wait for the night time.
Doesn't even wait.
Mogadishu. I would recommend definitely Mogadishu or Hamar because I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you my experience.
Yes.
I've been there for 9 days, and I made a lot of videos about it, and I didn't need no security. I didn't need no one else. I just had to.
But where were you when you didn't need no security? No, where were you? You were only in one area. Lido Beach.
Lido Beach. That's what I'm saying. But listen, I went to the Zira, which is like out of the Mogadishu.
An island, you mean?
It's not an island, but like it's out of Hamar. Like you drive like for 2 hours.
It's another part of Somalia.
Yeah.
Okay, that's outside.
No. But you still like not out of Mogadishu. You have to you still in Mogadishu, but it's at the edge of Mogadishu. You have to go. We went there. It was through the drive. I made a nice video. It was very, very good.
So you're gonna have videos, okay?
Okay, that's
I wanna watch it as well.
Okay, but Like
But
okay,
in
in
Mogadishu,
Mogadishu,
what is there to do?
what to do? Yeah,
Yeah, go on, tell
they
me.
get beautiful beaches to go.
Lido Beach.
Lido Beach and Jazeera.
Jazeera,
That's
two
the
beaches.
these two main ones.
Okay.
What else? These are like some we call Berta Namada. It's like Masala view restaurants like that,
Okay.
but way bigger.
And where is that located?
In Benadir, like in the central Benadir.
Central.
Yeah.
Basically near Lido Beach.
No, Lido Beach, way far from Lido Beach.
Okay.
There's two, especially there's two. It's called Berta Nawada
Yeah.
and Berta Benadir.
Okay.
So basically those two.
How big are those places?
Well, that's way big. Like way
Suho Hoso, as big
Suho
as
is
Soho
there,
Hoso?
yeah. So they have like restaurants, like they have what do you call they have restaurants.
And what's
green
security
light.
like there? What's security like? You don't need to work with security.
Oh, no.
Of course, you're Somali.
Yeah.
You don't need security. But I mean, security as in like security checkpoints,
Of course,
security
you-
checks, all that. Like how
Well,
often and
when
everything.
when you get into the gate, obviously you have to be checked. Even at this today, like when we went to a shop, went to the hotel, you get checked. The guy.
That's the hotel, not
Yeah.
the hotel. I'm talking about the roads. I'm
The
talking about
roads.
coming into the city center or driving around Mogadishu. There's so many checkpoints. Is that correct?
Yes, this is a checkpoint.
Okay.
Like and they check like what do you call like occasionally, like for example like occasionally they don't check every car.
They don't check every car.
Like so for example like 4, 7, 8 cars pass, they'll stop this one. That's the
Yeah,
psychological
it's
way.
called random check.
Random check,
Random check, yeah.
And that's a security wise. It's good for the
No,
security.
of course, security.
Yeah.
Johnny Quest. Okay, welcome aboard. Dr. Benton Quest. All right, have a good flight. Haji. Listen, you've been randomly selected for additional screening, but you didn't even type anything in.
Those places are really nice to go. They're beautiful and like so beautiful. A lot of things to do in Mogadishu. Well, I just want to tell people I've been to Mogadishu. So if you've never been to Mogadishu, please don't say like, oh, it's not safe. First, go there like me. This is what I'm going to say. Before I come to Mogadishu, I had a lot. I was scared. I was scared.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Even though my first day I came, I wasn't going around. But 2 to 3 days later, we were going like other side of Mogadishu with Bachach. You know Bachach?
Bachach, yeah.
Yeah, with a Bachach, with just one person next to me, had the camera like that. I lost all my, scarcity and stuff like that, and started going around everywhere, making videos like, in the streets. If I was watching I was watching soccer game or football game in the stadium. I had no problem. Like we had to go to at the door, get checked, go inside, and if you watch the game, you
videoed it?
Yeah.
Cool.
What do you call the stadium was packed. It was packed, and like there was no scooter going around the stadium. You get checked at the gates, and that's it.
Okay, so you explained it for like a diaspora, it's pretty safe.
Yeah.
But now for a tourist, how safe is it for a tourist, or how accessible is it, or how easy is it to travel?
Okay.
As a tourist, as in like Adan.
Okay, it depends.
Or like whatever.
It depends if you're
Adan means like foreigner white.
Foreign white people. Okay. If a white person come to Somalia, especially in Mogadishu, like I would recommend a few things. First, you should have someone that you really know, really trust, that will show you around.
Okay.
You can't just like be everywhere like me, because when you're Adan, a white person, people look at you different, because like first of all, you're different from the rest in your color. It's not a discrimination way, but like
you just stand out.
Yeah, and
like
people do get used to seeing white people around.
They're only in like SUVs, bulletproof and stuff.
Yeah, like that. So when you get there, people will look around. When people see you around, because they never get used to see white people often, they will look at you like they want to see what you're up to, stuff like that. So if you stay in a hotel, I think that's the best way.
But freedom-wise, diaspora freedom, tourist freedom. Who has more freedom?
They're obvious diasporas, like someone like me who doesn't stand out.
Yeah. Now, let's talk about freedom. But can going places, so Lido Beach, this Al Jazeera, and the one that was 2 hours away, can these tourists go there as well?
They can go with a car, not with the other stuff. So
car, but what type of car?
Like a normal car. This has to be like a normal car, as long
But
as
of course, they have to have security with them. SVU, right?
I think that's not it's not important in Somalia. They don't have that like.
They don't have like
No.
where you have to go the security
No,
guard.
they don't have like that. They don't
So
have
people
that.
can go.
Can go. All you need,
Yeah.
all you need
Mhm.
is to have someone with an ID card or government ID card.
So government ID card.
Yeah, yeah.
But then that government guy doesn't have a security guy with him.
No, it doesn't. You don't have to. It's
Okay.
not like compulsory like in
Hargeisa, yeah.
You can just go, but
Even if you're traveling outside Mogadishu.
as I said, as I said, you need to have someone that you really trust,
Of course.
someone who knows well, someone who can like protect you if something pops out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Someone who can
No, it's something to show you around. It doesn't about protection. It's just someone
can show you
who
around
knows the land.
the land.
Yeah,
Exactly. Yeah.
It's not recommended like a solo.
No,
Just
no,
like
no.
you're by yourself, walk around with the
It's
camera.
not like Miami, just go out
Yeah,
everywhere.
yeah.
No, you have
Okay.
to have someone. And another thing I will say, and also something I want to say, I had few non-Somalis who wanted asking me that, hey, just want to come to Somalia, but for the issues like I don't have much time to wait them and show them around.
Yeah.
So like maybe we'll be.
Who was that? Who was that one person?
Wadi Maya.
Wadamaya.
He
Mr.
contacted
Ghana baby.
Mr. Ghana baby. He contacted me through Instagram, and me and him we've been friends for like since for a long time. To be
Really?
honest.
You guys been chatting?
Yeah, talking
Okay.
for a long time, but because he never like trusted to come into Somalia, and but when he saw me coming to Somalia, he was like, "Yo, bro, since you're there, I want to come to Somalia now." And I was like, "Okay, you want to come? Yeah, come, but like just come with me, because that way I can show you around. What do you call like I can take you to nice places that you can get a good footage. I can take you to the best restaurant, the best beaches in Somalia, but unfortunately, I don't have enough time,
Yeah.
to do that.
Well, he can always come to Somaliland.
I mean, if he
I'm
comes
here.
to Hargeisa or
you know.
Somaliland, you go Khalid with him, you can show him around, but he wants to do it everywhere.
He wants to do
Mogadishu,
it
yeah, because
Mogadishu.
Mogadishu is like I think when you say Mogadishu, it's the capital, and then everyone's like, oh, you know what?
But the capital of what? Somalia.
Somalia.
Yeah.
But as I say, guys, I guess I just want to say one thing. I don't want to be involved in any politics about Somalia and Somaliland. If you want to read about that, go to the news. You will find from there. You go to from website, but not from me. I'm here to do my content. I'm here to promote the positive of my country. So yeah, I'll leave it out there. If you want to know about Somalia, about Somaliland stuff, go to news. Get from there, not from me. That's my,
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
The disclaimer.
disclaimer. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think of Hargeisa? I'll say, because I don't want you to get into politics, Somaliland, and what do you think of Hargeisa? No, Hargeisa and the cities nearby, at least.
Okay, Hargeisa, I would say it's beautiful, to be honest. Wallahi, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's a dream city to come. I will recommend you, all of you, to come back and enjoy Somalia. Also come to Hargeisa as well. Go to Getaway, Mogadishu, wherever you want to go. But try to go where you have a family as well. I recommend you to do that.
That's there for the diasporas, yeah.
For the diasporas. Because me, wherever I go, I have a family of friends. Like Hargeisa, I had a Khalid. Getaway, I had a few other friends. Mogadishu, I had a few other friends. Mudug, I had a family there. Wherever I go, I recommend you to have a family of friends. You can't just go there, like anything can happen to you.
Yeah.
It's not like America, you just go call the police. It's not like that, brother. It's anything can happen out of nowhere here.
Okay. What's your next plans? Yeah.
I want to get first. I'm going back to Australia now. Oh, now I'm going to go back to Mogadishu and then stay for a couple of days there. Go back to Australia, and then I want to get back to the country again in the near future, not after 2 to 3 years. Near future, I like coming back to this country. I like coming back to Africa as well. But this is non-stop. I'm getting addiction. You know what addiction means, brother? I'm getting addicted to
That's it.
coming back to Somalia. And getting a lot of stuff.
All right, so that actually let's do the fire round. Or
Okay.
it's not the fire round, it's called the KO round.
Okay, what's
The
this?
KO round, okay? So, quick question.
Yeah,
So,
correct.
you ready?
Yep.
So, you're going to answer one of these. Which is your favorite?
Okay.
Texting or talking?
I'm texting.
Favorite day of the week?
Friday, obviously.
Friday, you know. Favorite city in Somaliland beside Hargeisa? Like if you had to, you haven't been to there.
Okay, I'll say Las Anot.
Oh yeah, there we go, Las Anod. Nickname your parents used to call you.
Well, I don't know, man. Awale. That's my Awale.
Awale? No nickname? Okay.
My mom never gave me
Oh,
a
okay. Nickname your friends used to call you.
Okay. Are, you know, Are.
Are.
Yeah.
No, what's Are?
I don't know. Someone with a long neck, something like
Oh.
that. Yeah.
So Are. Last song you downloaded. Did you download the song?
Yeah, I did. This song called it's a Somali song. But can I show you? I can show you around. And I'll say the name. Just give me a second. Wallahi, I downloaded last night, man. Okay.
Hopefully
This
we
one.
don't get-
It's called Hassan Gantal Aslubta. This one.
Listen. Where does he live? He's not from here.
He's from
He's in
Nairobi.
Nairobi,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Enough.
I don't want to get
It's too
copyrighted.
much. Okay.
What would you rather be able to speak every language in the world or be able to talk to animals? So would you be able to speak any language in the world or just speak to animals? You
I
have
speak
pick-
to animals, bro.
You want to
Come
speak
on,
to animals? I get.
I hate humans, man. What the fuck?
All right. How long does it take you to get ready? Like for work or for whatever?
15 minutes.
Shower, brush teeth, everything. 15
15
minutes?
minutes, there should be
Oh,
enough.
that's it. That's like me,
Yeah.
bro. Quick.
I like that. Yeah.
No,
I
no
like
messing
females,
about. 5 minutes shower, 5 minute get ready, 5 minute brush my teeth.
man. Yeah.
It's ready. Scale of 1 to 10. How good of a driver are you?
Well,
Do you drive even?
okay, let me tell you something. I'm not talking about driving in Somalia or whatever
No,
like
no.
that. But when I drive in Australia,
Australia, that's what I
I
mean.
would
not here.
say 7.
A 7.
Because I never had a
Accident.
crazy accident.
Alhamdulillah.
And just one time. But apart from that, like, I'm
Okay.
good driver. I will say that.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Chunks is.
The best Somali YouTuber.
Oh, okay. I like that. I like that. At what age do you want to retire? What age do you want to retire? Like not work anymore.
Maybe like 40, I'll say.
40. That's
Yeah.
young, bro.
I know, but like I just wanna get business stuff like that, retire.
Okay, but okay, mashallah.
I'll
How old
say-
are you now?
23.
23, you know. Okay. Invisible or super strength? Which one?
Invisible.
Sneaky guy, you know. Okay. Is it wrong for a vegetarian to eat animal crackers?
What's animal crackers?
Animal crackers is basically animal shaped.
Oh, yeah. Why would they eat that? Like they shouldn't, bro. Like if you're vegan, stay with your
But-
leaves, man.
But it's like biscuits.
Oh, biscuit.
Biscuit,
yeah.
but shaped in animals.
Oh,
So like an elephant biscuit, a giraffe biscuit.
I think that's kind of like disrespect. I don't know why, but that's how I feel right now. But
Okay.
I don't know.
So it's wrong.
It's wrong. I would say it's wrong. Yes.
Okay, all right. Ding, 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 ding. Well done. You survived the KO round, bro. Like a little scar only here. I
Yeah.
got him once, like that, you know.
Yeah.
But you survived, man.
You did good.
Thanks so much for coming on my YouTube channel, the episode Voice of Diaspora. You got any messages for the tourists and for the Somalis out there? Just
I would
message?
say if that's somebody like if you from Hargeisa or from Mogadishu, whatever like that, I would recommend you to come back to your country, explore. Don't listen what the media tells you about like, hey, that's safe, that's not safe place. Somalia is better than what it was for 5 years ago. Hargeisa has been safe for like past 15, 12, 10 years. It's better than what it was for 5 years ago. I've been there and I'm telling you, Mogadishu is safe. You can go there, you can enjoy, you can have the best time of your life. If you put your mind.
Yeah.
Get back to your country, do something, have fun, and learn more.
Yes, I like
And let's
it.
go.
Let's
Skitty
go.
bop bop bop.
Ba. All right, guys. So make sure you check out. There's other 2 vloggers. I'm gonna give them a shout out in here. You can watch his vlogs on
Awale-pop. And
and
also on Instagram, Awala the Naima.
Awale,
The name?
the Neymar.
Yeah, because that's my high school nickname. Because I remember.
You used to be a Neymar footballer.
Yeah, for like because when Neymar came for 2011, 12, I used to be a big fan of him, and then like everyone used to call me, hey, the Neymar. Then
Awale the Neymar.
that's how I got that.
That's his
that
Instagram name. Okay. There's Ikram. I'll put it over here, and Mukhtar Noor. I know Mukhtar Noor personally. There are other two vloggers who are down south in Mogadishu or like that area, Somalia, basically, that shows you Somalia. So you can check them out as well if you want to see. If you want to know about Somaliland, check out my channel. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. And guys, support my Patreon, right, guys? Yeah. Keep helping me to do what we gotta do.
Exactly.
All right, guys. So, peace, blessings. Ski. Let's go.